now.
My God! Oh no!
Allegard protect!
Thank you, Allegard, for protecting my present.
What does Allegard do for you? Let's find out.
In every way possible, Allegard protects.
The reason why expanded polystyrene is important and should get the love and respect it deserves is it goes into just a ton of different other products and processes.
Custom signs,
Specialized packaging that protects electronics.
insulation.
Right now, we are probably surrounded by it. It's in the walls.
It helps with noise reduction.
Buildings, on the roof, under the siding, or in the basement.
Allegard does protect you from the cold.
Roads.
Sometimes it is substituted instead of cement.
You travel like over bridges and not even realize that this material is in there.
You would be surprised where foam is located.
So we start with the beads, and then we run it through the pre-expander, and then we run it through the mold. And we have hot wire cutting machines. So they have metal wires on them that heat up and melt the block ever so slightly to cut it. Any waste that you get from this block when you cut it, we grind it back up and we reintroduce it at the mold. So some of our blocks have up to 40% recycled content in them.
I get to turn raw material into stuff that people use for construction and packaging.
The best thing that we get to do is we get to make anything. We get to innovate and create new products in the market. Manufacturing is a very exciting field.
What I think is important about manufacturing jobs is they just keep the country running. It's good work for a lot of people and makes for a good living.
I think the world runs primarily on stuff that is manufactured.
My basement's so cold! Allegard! Thank you, Allegard, for making my basement warm and dry. Allegard!